district of Okere caved out of the Okere-Akuapem Municipal Assembly in the Eastern Region has instituted an apprenticeship training program at its district capital, Edukrom, among others agricultural projects to enhance youth employment in the district.
The Okere district, barely 3 years after its establishment in 2018, has acquired a newly built district assembly complex at its district capital, Edukrom, after operating from a rented apartment. According to Assembly member of Asisieso electoral area, Richard Prince Maglo, the assembly is focused on youth employment, education and infrastructural development.
So the assembly have a program now that apprentices are being trained now, that the assembly pays the madams, the masters, yes, that is artisans. Yes, it's ongoing that we've started. Today is Sunday. When you come weekdays, you see them, you enter the shop, you ask them who brought you here. They will tell you it's Honorable Dambuche.
Major roads have been tarred, and the Esamine-Lapa to Kufuridua stretch is being reconstructed. The same road, notorious for armed robbery due to its sharp curve.
This road, because of its hilly nature, the robbers used to hide under this road, that is under the hill, and then rob passengers and commuters, yes. But now that they've started the construction, you could see that they've excavated the hill, so that after the excavation, they will fill where we are standing and then make sure that the curve will not come in anymore. So they're excavating here, they're excavating the other side too, so that they can get it a bit straight, so that cars coming can just go without stopping or reducing their speed.
The assembly has created 8 bypasses, including those from Aprade to Somanya and from Nkrakain to Trom Junction. Other projects include the construction of 2 boys' dormitory blocks at the Nifa Senior High School, a 9-unit classroom block at the Edukrom Presby Senior High School, and the rehabilitation of the Okere-Akuapem State Farms after 40 years of abandonment. For his part, the Omanhene of Edukrom, Ehunu Abubrim Osuodumja Otutu Abibio V, has attributed the rapid development of the district to collaboration between the assembly and traditional leaders.
So myself and my chiefs launched the Osuodumja Educational Fund, and we were able to pay the school fees for 21 students in the various tertiary schools. Without the chiefs, government has the power and authority over our system, but when it comes into land, the land is in the hands of the chiefs. So we also come in to make sure that we release land for the numerous projects that have been carried out. And also through peaceful coexistence, before some of these projects can go on, there should be peace and unity in the towns and the communities.
The Okere district, made up of 7 towns, Ebru, Ewukugwa, Dewu, Aprade, Asisieso and Abonse, has 149 villages.
Okere-Akuapem TV, Bepauso, Hein.